Hello, I'm Miss Ginsburg with KnowAtom, and today we're going to be reading Communicating Over Distances. This is a student reader in Unit 9. Sending messages. Living in a lighthouse. Hallie moved to a new house when she was 9 years old. It wasn't just any house, though. It was a cottage attached to a lighthouse. A lighthouse is a tower with a bright light on top. Lighthouses are built on the coast. This is the cottage where Hallie lives. The tower, so that's the cottage, and then the tower is the lighthouse. A lighthouse's message. Hallie's dad is the lighthouse keeper. He makes sure the light stays lit at night. The light is important. It sends a message to sailors at sea. A message is information sent from one place to another place. Information is details about a person, place, or event. Hallie's dad is the lighthouse keeper. The light is a signal that tells the sailors that they are near land. A signal is an action used to communicate information. This is important at night. The sun doesn't shine at night. Sometimes clouds cover the moon. On a dark night, the sailors cannot see the land on their own. The lighthouse light tells the sailors they need to sail carefully. The lighthouse light is a signal. How ships communicate. Light carries messages over a long distance. Sailors see the lighthouse light from far away. This gives them time to get ready for land. Light helps sailors communicate in other ways. Sometimes a sailor on one ship needs to send a message to a sailor on another ship. They can do this with light or sound. Morse code. Sailors can communicate with Morse code. Morse code uses short and long pulses. The pulses can be light or sound. Each letter of the alphabet has a specific mix of short and long pulses. This lets people seeing or hearing the code know what the message is. Signaling with sound. Sailors at sea also use buoys. A buoy floats in the water. It carries many messages. Sometimes a buoy tells sailors that there is a big rock in the water. Sometimes it tells sailors the water is too shallow for a big ship. Buoys float in the water. They send messages to sailors. Some buoys use sound. They have a bell or a whistle. As the buoy moves in the waves, the bell or whistle makes a sound. This sound travels to the sailors in their ship. It communicates a message to the sailors. This buoy has a bell. It communicates with sound. Wow, I learned a lot reading Communicating Over Distances, and I had fun too. I hope you learned a lot and that you had fun also. I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Bye.